I was doing some light reading when I noticed my charcuterie cutie looking a little less cute, so it's time to clean her. Here's what you'll need: some cleaning brushes, silicone cleaning caps, and pink formula that I swear by. Remove the slide, and then put it in a container with a lid, shake up some pink formula, saturate it, and then close it up, shake it for like 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, now to clean the main bitch. Ugh, look, ugh. Add enough cleaner to saturate the inside. Do not use the cleaner on the outside. Okay, so these cleaning caps are absolutely amazing. They fit so many different sizes. They're made out of durable silicone, so they're really, really stretchy. I usually leave my downstem in during this part of the cleaning. You just shake, 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 shake. You can shake from any angle, even upside down with these cleaning caps. I love them. Look at that, beautiful, but not beautiful enough. Brushes! I'm gonna remove the cleaning caps now, and I'm gonna take out the downstem. Ugh, look, yuck. This is what the brushes are used for. Amazing, beautiful, clean, love. To clean the outside, you wanna use mild soap like the kind I use on ducks, and warm water to spot clean where need be. I usually do this to the mouthpiece so I'm not kissing any chemicals. It's preference for me. Time to do a quick warm water rinse, and voila! There she is, nice and clean. Oop, can't forget that. Now we're ready to undo all of the work we just did.